Hi babe, I got this new yellow t-shirt which is made out of 100% pure boyfriend material, just like me, so yeah, I'll see you tonight. Whee!
I actually can't wait. I have to go to work, but I will talk to you soon, and it's gonna be the best day ever. Bye.
Hey.
Like, seriously, of all of the days that this could have happened.
Yeah, it's a bummer, hey?
What? Oh my god, Kyle. Are you? No, you're not. You could get in so much trouble. Kyle, I can't believe. Wait, what?
Go on.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me? We've been talking about this forever.
It's cool, right?
You're so smart. I'm gonna get ready and call you later. Bye.
Okay. Are you wearing it?
Mm-hmm.
You are. Is it comfy?
Yeah,
It is.
it is.
Whew. Okay, you ready?
Ready.
Alright, here we go.
Oh my god.
Alright. All lights are green. Going again. Take off.
Oh.
This is fun.
Oh. That was so nice.
That was